Alrighty. XG Winter Without You official music video. We're about to check this out. Jacob presents. Ooh. XG's really been that girl group for me. It's been very exciting to watch them grow in such a fast pace, to be honest, in my eyes. It feels like it's not fast paced, but I feel like it is. Winter Without You. Now I saw the teaser for it. Seemed very like, how do I say it? It's like very vulnerable. I don't know. But I heard good things about it. So without further ado, XG, Winter Without You. Captions on 4K, you already know. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Ooh, it look cold. Oh, okay, vocals off the top. Oh, she's yelling though. I love the big fur hats. Bring that back. Ooh. Ooh, chills. Woo. Oh. Okay, he not that. Okay, we're going with that R&B winter vibe. Bit of TLC, you know what I'm saying? Woo. How? Oh, these mountain shots. Oh, I know that's cold. Harvey. On the deal, I still miss you too, girl. I'm playing. I do miss you. Ooh. Okay. Damn, these outfits though, for real. Ooh, okay, vocal. Oh, was the snow like glowing? Low key. Okay, Jordan. Okay, Coco. Oh, that outfit though. Okay, here. Oh. Oh, this is a sad song, like missing you. Oh. Here for the girlies. This is beautiful. This has to be green screen, no? Wow, the lighting too. Ooh, this might be my Christmas song. I mean, it's a little, it's giving like, giving late 90s. Ah. Woo, wait, hold up. Let's go, Julia. Ooh. You better get yours. Oh, we back in space. Woo. Oh, this is from the teaser. Oh, this is the one with like the family and. Ooh, okay, Harvey. Bro, actually, are just a mother effing vibe, for real. Going at their own pace, their own color. These outfits, though. Ooh, okay, you bring light. Okay, Coconut, get that scene. Hey. Ooh. Hella body rolling type of Christmas music. Ooh. Aww. It's all lit up. Those are like sakuras? Not really, right? Oh. Hey, executive producer Jacobs, aka Simon, you already know. Produced by him too. Lyrics by Chancellor Jacobs. Ooh, Paulina, Powell, Cirilla. Oh. Shout out to everybody that worked on this. The fade out for real. Dre, check their photos on IG after So Gorgeous. Oh, let me see. Instagram. We gotta check out XG. Hold up, let me double check. XG, everything I do it A1 flawless. Like I'm going insane. Ooh, hold up. Let me see it. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Okay, Miss Chisa. Okay. Oh wait, who else? Do they have all the members? They do. We got Hinata. I love this one. They're here. We only got room for the baddest. You already know, and she is. All right, who else? Oh, we got Chisa. Oh wait, what? It was. Oh, I guess this is like more of Chisa right here. Got Juden right here. Ooh, Maya. Ooh, okay, Maya. Okay. Judia, let's go, Miss Ma'am. Hold up, I need to like all these too. Coconut be slaying. Oh my god. Let's go, little sis. Harvey. Oh, that's a nice shot too. Oh my god. You got the full. Oh, that's a dope poster right there too. That's a dope poster. It's a new sad EXO song we never knew we needed. That's what I'm saying. Like it's sad, but I mess with it because I do like sad songs as well. So it's nice. I think it's a nice touch. I would love that as a poster. Real talk. All right, let me actually bop. Let me go through my rounds. Bop. You know you gotta do it too. Hey, if you see a photo of me, you better like it as well. Please comment. Oh my god, Dre, did you get taller? Something like that. You know, make my day a little bit better. Bop. No, I gotta go through it. You gotta. And if you're not following, I don't know what you're doing, right? You know what I'm saying? I don't usually do like through the desktop one, but just because for stream, I'm down to do it. Was there anything? Oh, because it's out. Okay. XG coming through with a sad kind of vibes, with Christmas vibes, put it together, kind of giving some R&B flavor, which I do love. I don't know how everybody else feels about it. I already had some homies that already said, oh, this is one of my favorite tracks from them. I'm like, really? And I'm seeing a lot of people enjoying this. It's nice to see a side of them where we haven't gotten slapped around so much with the hard hitting stuff. That's true, but they've been showing different type of colors too as well, like different type of flavors. So I'm really enjoying this. We know that they can do this stuff. They can do a lot of things, to be honest. Yeah, I don't like Christmas songs by XG and EXO. Damn, no, for real. Also, EXO's Christmas songs are fire. But all right, y'all. XG. All good. They always be on point, bro. They always be on point. All right, give it up for XG, everybody.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.